Oh, he's hiding now.
Yeah, you'll come back around.
There he is. He's hiding.
Those are called a pileated woodpecker. Maybe up here you could try it.
Oh my god, a pileated woodpecker?
Yeah, a woodpecker.
Oh my god, we used to have a couple of those where I used to live, and it was like, they was in there.
Oh, I scared him.
Look at him.
One time I was in the treehouse and he
Where
was
is he?
pecking on
He's
the...
on the grape thing.
Oh, he's right there, yeah.
He's been hanging around a lot lately.
Mm-hmm.
I should build him a house. Woodpecker house, you know?
Do they have houses?
Yeah, they hollow out a tree like a wood duck.
Ah.
They like to build their nests in power poles. That's why they put that screen around it. Stop it. They call it pecker wrap. What a term, huh?
Yep. I wonder why he's over by the grapevine. Is he like listening?
He might be eating grapes too. Look at him look at it.
Mm-hmm. I don't know if he's looking at it or if he's
Remember
listening.
I told you that story about that woodpecker?
Hmm.
I peeled a tree, right? And it was really slippery. He goes to land on it, goes all the way down like this and land on it, butt like boom. And then it goes like this, you know, and tries it again. Goes, boom. Oh, it was so comical. Oh, I wish that was, you know, back in Dewey Lake, way before you were born. Rocky wasn't even there.
Are you guys looking at the woodpecker?
Yeah, that big one.
Yeah,
Pileated
it's on the
woodpecker.
it's on the grapevine.
It's under the grapes.
Yeah, I
see,
see
he's
him.
eating the grapes.
Yeah, I saw him on the
They're a
tree
prehistoric bird, you know.
They're a bird.
Yeah, they
They're
lived
old
with the
bird.
dinosaurs.
Yep. Crystal lived with the dinosaurs too.
Wait, Christ is a dinosaur?
Yep.
Wow, they're so loving.
Oh, she's locked. All right, I guess he's in your vines now.
Kind of hard to see him now, huh?
Yep,
Yeah, he's hiding.
he's in there. You're a bird. I'll go outside. It's wet out there. Look at it. You still want to go out there? Let's go. Come on. You butt. There he goes, plowing through the tall grass. But yep, it doesn't really matter what the weather looks like. We'll always just be out here walking, even if it's slightly drizzling. He needs to get his little exercise, and he's picky where he pees. He's funny. He's got to mark his territory every time we walk. Say, I'll pee here, I'll pee there. And then as he saw, he just like, I'm gonna go right into the tall grass. So now we're down by the tracks. So yeah, Musa goes where he pleases. I don't really care. People like to direct their dogs, and I understand that, but he's an old dog. I'll let him do what he wants. Of course, you know, if we need to get going, I'll get him on the right path, but I don't like tugging on his rope. He's an old fart. An old puppy dog. Alright, Musa, let's go. Go. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. It's always fun going up there. Watch him climb up. But yeah, I think that'll be it for today's video. Just wanted to show how we walk on these kind of colder / rainier walks. Like I said, the rain ain't bad, it's cold out. It's cold, windy, a little bit of rain. But, yep, that's it for today's video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now.